And we're doing Mike's bike check. That's a tongue twister. All right, here you go, Mike. All right, we can just...
Bike, and we're gonna be, we're doing a bike check. We're gonna go from the bottom to the top. Starting from the bottom, we have, on the front, we have just Demolition Momentum tires. 2.35 tires. And then the rims are, this is just my stock rim. It's a Haro rim with a Haro hub on it. It doesn't say Haro or anything on it because it's not a Haro bike. Yeah. Stolen silencer pegs without the plastic piece on the top. Then moving forward, we have the stock framed LTD Axe Attack forks, just spray painted a metallic silver. The frame is just an LTD framed time attacked thing. Now this spacer is not stock. That's a Odyssey spacer. Moving to this here. This is a Black Ops stem top front load. I'm getting a new one. Just saying.
Right. Oh, you forgot the bars.
So the bars are just Black Able gold bars with pink ODI grips, and then the plain ODI grip bar ends. So moving further down on the bike, the pedals are just Odyssey pedals. Odyssey and Black Able. They're Odyssey PC pedals, no, they're not twisted. That's just the frame of them. The insides are Black Able bearings and everything in them. And this here. Cranks are Eastern cranks, old, worn out. Okay, going on to the S&M seat post. It's
an Odyssey seat.
I haven't even said the seat yet.
All right, just go, keep going.
Okay, this is an Odyssey seat. It's just Odyssey, I guess. I don't know. Another
Is it the bandana or something like that?
Yeah, it's the bandana.
That's pretty cool.
Bandana.
Yes, that's what I said. Oh, and then we have another stolen silencer pedal. Then we have a Black Able rear rim with a Black Able hub with
Black Able.
I said Black Able.
Alright, okay.
This is supposed to go right here. That's where the bolt goes.
It doesn't. Wrong.
That's the Primo something, right?
No. This is a Odyssey. Stop. I know. It's just because. See.
I was about to say.
But this is an Odyssey sprocket with KMC. It's Primo. No, it's not.
I told you it was Primo.
Oh.
Technical difficulties. Be right back. And we're back. All right, go.
Okay, so this is a KMC
chain. Right?
chain. It's a full link, and I did it the stupid way and just put on a master link instead of actually doing it properly.
All right, so
That's my bike. Bottom.
woohoo! All right, and the final thing. All right, Mike.
Say your outro.
Bye.
See.
Say bye.
Bye.
All right. All right. Bye. My bike check will be next, and then Blake's. Yeah. All right, and then that'll be it. Bye, guys. And then Jason will be after Blake's. All right. Bye, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you.